We're here in sunny Oldsmar, Florida. What we have is a bad check valve. Here's the old check valve. The seal went bad, so what's happening is the hot tub over there is draining back into the pool once the pump shuts off overnight. So it's emptying into the pool and then it has to fill up in the morning. And so what we're gonna do is replace the check valve. This is the old one. See how that went bad? The customer tried to replace it on their own and they put the flow switch wrong. The water, in this case, flows down. So we're gonna pull this one out. You're gonna get a lot of water spilling out. Here's the new one. Pretty simple. You don't wanna cut this out, try to replumb a new one in. So you buy a new check valve, you pull the guts out, and then you just replace it with the new guts. And what you do is you take a flathead screwdriver and say a hammer or something, and you put it not here, you don't put it back here on the body, you put it right here on the tip of the guts, and then you just kind of tap it with a hammer until it works out, and then you can just pull it out. But this is how you prevent your hot tub from draining back into your pool when it cuts off at night. And once again, this is at your service, located over in Trinity, Florida, but today we're in Oldsmar. And a job like this, the check valve runs you about $50. You would charge probably another 35. I mean, the regular service calls $100. So this job here should pay you probably about $100, $120. All right, thank you. Got any questions, give us a call at 727-410-5134. Thank you.